Hey Facebook, it's your favorite bitch you love to hate. So I'm gonna make this short and sweet because I fucking hate Facebook and I fucking hate people. So yesterday, May 13th, my children are outside riding bikes with their friends, with their brothers and sisters, everything, their cousins. Two black men, we'll get to that later. Two men pull up in a red Challenger with black racing stripes down the middle of the whole car, pulled in crooked into my driveway almost all the way into my yard, got out with a pistol in his pants, coming at my kids, threatening to shoot my children. Anybody know him? I don't, but he knows me now. All because my oldest boy, and his friends stopped to admire his beautiful car. Sounds beautiful, looks gorgeous. Nice car, bitch. So, takes police 25 minutes plus to get here. One officer that had to leave his family dinner from home with his wife and children because Beloit Police Department is crumbling. They're quitting. We do not, in Beloit, Wisconsin, Rock County, we do not have the police force, the police power to control our city. Yeah. So, motherfuckers are allowed to pull up to kids with weapons, guns, for stopping to admire a beautiful piece of machinery. So, what I'm taking out of this that's going on in our country right now is that children don't matter. Certainly in Beloit, Wisconsin, Rock County. Children don't matter. Black lives matter. And that's it. And that's it. I'm fucking colorblind. I love all colors of anything. Why do you have to be black to fucking matter? That was two black men. I'm at war with the people upstairs that want to take me and my kids out, end my days. These neighbors on the fucking corner are nothing but fucking creeps and bullies to my kids and my family. The only people on this block, and they're like family to us, is our neighbors on the other side of our driveway, 1208 Bluff. And it's a beautiful black African-American family. What the fuck it got to do with color? Somebody explain to me that. Somebody explain to me why I and my family have had a lifetime of suffering from Beloit, Wisconsin, Rock County. And it's all because of what? Crooked police, corruption, and Black Lives Matter. The police can't do their job anymore because you guys have made it all about race. I have a battery ticket for punching the bitch in the face one time because she was abusing her children, clunking them down the stairs, using his face and his shoulder and his chin to open the screen door because she was fighting with her crackhead husband, boyfriend, whatever. I warned her to put the kids down. She wouldn't, so I walked out, met up with her, and I jaw-jacked the bitch. She dropped her kids. On my battery ticket, it says that I am 5'9", 145. That's funny. I have black hair, brown eyes, and I'm black. A bitch is 5'5", 200. I'm white. Well, I'm Italian and Swiss. I have blue eyes, gray, blonde, brown, burgundy hair. So y'all tell me. What the fuck does a black life, a white life, a purple life, a green life have to fucking do with it? What about these kids? What about these kids that are our future? What are we teaching these kids? That you gotta be a certain color? That you gotta have a badge to have any kind of power? There is no justice in our country. There is no type of security to protect your family. You can't do shit. You can't protect your family. What if I would have been armed, legally armed yesterday? My son comes flying in the house, this man's gonna shoot us. I look out the window, he's in my yard in his car, holding his pistol in his waistband. What if I would have been legally armed? I would have shot the motherfucker between the eyes. And guess what? It wouldn't have mattered that I was protecting my children. It would have mattered that he pulled up in my yard with a pistol at my babies. It would have mattered because he was black and I was white. This country, the people in it, of all fucking colors, all races, all sizes, you should be ashamed of yourselves. Every one of you that think that color is a reason for any fucking thing. Color should be a reason for one thing. Of course, to see. But to color a fucking color book, man. A color book. Artwork. Get the fuck out of here. So, I'm gonna say this real quick, and I'm bi. Any one of you motherfuckers wanna take me out? Wanna hurt my kids? Wanna bully me? My front door is unlocked. I'm waiting. And you can fucking come get some. You think I'm weak because my left side's crippled? You think I'm a crazy bitch? You think that I ain't got no sense and that I just run my mouth? It's y'all motherfuckers talking that shit. I'm talking facts. I'm talking logical common sense. I'm talking Wisconsin state statutes. Constitutional rights. Rights as a fucking American citizen. And I don't have them anymore. My kids don't have them anymore. Y'all that think it's about color, you don't have rights anymore. It don't matter what fucking color you are. It don't matter if you're a child or an adult. It don't matter if you're a pedophile or a fucking thief. It don't matter if you're a convict or a Bible-thumping fool. So let me tell you something. I'm right here. My babies are safe. You ain't getting to them. And if you want a piece of me and mine, come get it. Because I don't give a fuck about no Bible, no Wisconsin state statute, no wannabe gang-banging gangster. You ain't shit. You want a piece? You can come get it. It's all day, and I got a lot of pieces to give, because a bitch ain't 145 and 5'9". I am 5'5", 200, bitch. You want a piece? I'm right here, and I'm done. You are not. I've moved away from this town, this county, all my life for motherfuckers like y'all. Guess what, guys? Guess what, Beloit? Guess what, Rock County? I'm not going any fucking where. Enjoy your day.